All right, the subjective is polynomials. It says perform the operation. Be sure all answers are written in standard form, which remember is just highest power to lowest power. Okay, so for this one we are subtracting, and when we subtract we do leave change opposite, so we're going to change this subtraction to addition, maybe, and then we take the opposite of whatever is after it. So negative 5x squared becomes positive 5x squared, and plus 7 becomes minus 7, and then that part's gone. Now we're going to combine like terms. So if I have a positive 2x squared and a positive 5x squared, adding them together will give me 7x squared. Nothing to go with the 3x, and it's positive, so I'm just going to bring it down and have it be a plus 3x, and then a positive 1 and a negative 7 will be minus 6, and that would be our answer. Okay, number 18, performing the operation. If we have something squared, that really means 2x minus 7 times 2x minus 7. All right, and then we're going to multiply. I am going to do the Punnett square method this time. If you do it the arrow way, that is totally fine as well. So I'm going to draw my box. And even if you're doing it the other way, you should notice that our parts should be the same. So here, 2x times 2x will be 4x to the second. 2x times negative 7 will be negative 14x. Negative 7 times 2x is also negative 14x. And then negative 7 times negative 7 is a positive 49. Now I'm just going to combine like terms, which happens to be those two. So it'll be 4x squared. Negative 14 plus negative 14 will be negative 28x plus 49. Okay, number 19, it asks us to factor this. I notice that I can take the square root of both parts, so this is going to be a 2 parenthesis problem. The square root of 25x squared would be 5x and 5x. The square root of 81 is 9, so this will be plus 9 minus 9. Okay, the next one, number 20, also says to factor. This is a quadratic trinomial, which means I'm going to have two sets of parentheses with x and x. I'm going to take the 1 times the negative 27, which gives me negative 27, and I want to think what times what would give me negative 27, but add to give me negative 6. So I'm just going to start writing down choices. Negative 27 times 1, negative 1 times 27, negative 3 times 9, negative 9 times 3, I'm looking for negative 6. This will work because negative 9 plus 3 is negative 6. So minus 9 plus 3, and that is factored. Okay, 21, factor 8a squared b minus 24ab cubed plus 16a to the 4th b squared. Generally, if we have lots of letters in our problem, it's going to be a GCF, which in this case it definitely is. So what number will go into all three of those? It will be 8. They all have an A, and the smallest one is just simply A. They all have a B, and the smallest B is, again, just B. So I'm going to start my parentheses. I like to write that under each part. Okay, so 8 divided by 8 is just 1. I'm subtracting my exponent, so A squared over A will be A to the first, or just A. The B's zap each other out. Okay, and then minus 24 divided by 8 is 3. The A's this time zap each other out. B to the third over b to the first will be b to the second. We're subtracting the exponents. Plus 16 divided by 8 will be 2. And again, I'm subtracting the exponents, so a to the 4th over a to the first will be a to the 3rd. And then b to the 2nd over b to the 1st will be b. So that's what that would look like factored. Okay, this last one says to write an example of a cubic binomial. Okay, cubic means the degree is 3. That's going to be the highest power in my problem. Binomial, like a bicycle, is going to have 2 parts. So my highest power has to be 3, so I could have something like 5x to the 3rd, and I need another part, so I might put plus 2x. So yours hopefully will not match mine exactly because you've come up with your own example.